In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Openal32.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Kindly search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type or the architecture of your Windows 11. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Now copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate this System32 folder, here it is. Then right click and then select paste. Click on continue. And once this is done, just simply close everything. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option. Here, simply type sfc space / scan now. Scan now, just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.